All right, today's lesson is going to be on place value. And we're going to start out by looking at our reckon rack, which most of you are familiar with. We've used this quite a bit. And there are two ways that we can count with the reckon rack. We call it the regular way and the 10 way. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're just going to count by ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now as we was counting, we was moving individual beads, so they're one a piece. But once we get a whole group over here, we now know that we have 10. So when we get ready to count again, we don't have to go back and count 1, 2, 3. We can simply say 10 and one more. So this is a 10, 1, 10, 2, 10, 3, because we're still counting just the 10, 10, 4, 10, 5, 10, 6, 10, 7, 10, 8, 10, 9, and what do you think this is going to be? Not 10, 10, but now it is 2 10s because we have 2 groups of 10. Now to make this a little plainer, we're going to show how we would record that. So if we were recording it, we would start with our individual beads and we would have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We can't put 2 digits in a box. So to write 10, we have to have 2 boxes because 10 has 2 digits. And that's what happens when we get a group of 10 individuals. We make a total 10. So if we continue where we have 10 and let's go back to 10, 1. So here we're going to label our place value chart because all of these were 1 digits. So we're going to label this as 1s. And we had one whole group of 10, so we're going to label this as 10s. So now if we continue to count, we have our one group of 10 and one more. So 1 10 and one more. This is 10 1, 10 2, 10 3, because we're not changing our group of 10 yet. So 10 4, 10 5, 10 6, and we can go on to 10 7, 10 8, 10 9. But when we get here, we now have, what did we say? 2 10. So now in our 10s, we forgot to label this, we have 2 10s, and we don't have any 1s over yet, so we're going to place a 0, and that gives us 20. Now this is going to help us with our team numbers a lot, because 1 10 and 2 1s are 10 2. We read this as what? 12. 10 3 is the same as 13 because it's 10 and 3 more. 10 and 4 more is 14. 10 and 5 is 15. So this should help us with our numbers in the teens because they give us a lot of trouble. So we're going to take our reckon racks and practice on these. I think each of you have some individual ones at home, and I want you to work on this, and we'll come back later today.